Creating viral videos that generate significant revenue is an art, and effective editing plays a crucial role in this process. Whether you're editing for your own channel or for a client, here's a comprehensive guide to editing videos that captivate your audience and keep them engaged from start to finish. Before diving into the editing process, ensure you have a well-thought-out video idea, a solid script, and a compelling voiceover. With these elements in place, you can move on to gathering your footage. There are two main types of footage: A-roll, footage with voiceover integrated, and B-roll, additional footage that complements the voiceover. Aim for an abundance of both, as having surplus B-roll is never a drawback. For A-roll, capture genuine connections with your audience, especially if you're on camera. This personal touch can captivate viewers instantly. For B-roll, get creative. Utilize stock footage, self-shot clips, or screen recordings, depending on your video style. Be careful about B-roll footage. Some may be copyrighted and destroy your channel, but on Pexels.com, you can find free footage without worrying about copyright. The first few seconds are pivotal. Your goal is to grab attention immediately. If using a roll, ensure it's engaging. If not, rely heavily on dynamic B-roll. Make frequent cuts and maintain a swift pace to retain viewer interest. Stay until the end to find out how to make your first 5 seconds of video more interesting and to go from here to here. Subtitles enhance viewer retention. Create a dynamic subtitle effect by animating the text for a visually appealing and engaging viewing experience. CapCut have a free tool for automatic subtitles, so you can use that if you hate typing it by yourself. Explore preset packs available for various video editing software. Experiment with transitions that seamlessly blend scenes and add motion effects to enhance the visual appeal of your video. You can find them on Google by typing, for example, CapCut free editing preset packs. Sounds breathe life into your video. Use whooshes, pops, and relevant sound effects to accentuate visuals. In CapCut, you can also find free sound effects. Layer your video with non-copyrighted music to evoke emotions and maintain the video's flow. Review your edited video, ensuring smooth transitions and a cohesive narrative. Adjust audio levels, cut precisely, and refine visual effects for a professional finish. The fact is that nowadays people lose attention easily, so try to make cuts every 2 to 3 seconds, and don't overdo it with sound effects. Remember, editing is an art form. Stay creative, experiment, and most importantly, have fun. Each video you edit is an opportunity to refine your skills and create content that resonates with your audience. Let me know in comments if you want a complete tutorial on how I edit videos. And if you want to know how to make your first 5 seconds of video as interesting as possible, watch this video. Good luck with your editing journey.